Hello there, I am a Windows computer repair specialist for fixing hardware and software related problems remotely. If you want to install, upgrade Windows 11 or 10 on your laptop or desktop computer, then you are at the right place. Please discuss the problem or your need before placing your order. Services list: download Windows necessary files, make your USB drive bootable, install Windows 11 or Windows 10, install or update necessary drive, fix Windows installation problem, fix SSD or HDD related problem, delete or create drive partition as your need. Requirements: a USB drive minimum 8 GB, internet connection with a working Windows computer, fiber zoom any desk. Process: discuss your need before placing your order. Once you discuss your need, I will let you know what we have to do, as well as I will give you a quotation on how much it will cost. During the process, we might need to share photos, videos, call on fiber zoom. Any desk team viewer only allowed when we have an order and necessary. Still, if you have any queries, feel free to ask.